Hey there crafters, I'm Beth and I'm here with Crafty Corner. We are an online Cricut authorized retailer. We also love to give Cricut education and inspiration. Be sure to subscribe so you see all of what we have to offer. Today we are going to be making planner stickers with the new Cricut Joy Xtra. I will be using the new printable sticker paper for this project. They have reformulated their sticker paper to make it even better. I had trouble with the old stuff going through my printer, and this one has no issues at all. Be sure to get the one that looks like this on the front. We'll also be needing a cutting mat. You can use either the light grip or a standard grip mat. First, let's figure out how to make the stickers. Over in Design Space, I am going to click on Images and then search for whatever image you would like. I'm going to pick this cute sewing machine. I'm going to create an offset around the image just because I like the way it looks. You wouldn't have to do this part. You cannot contour a print and cut image, so I changed the offset to a cut image and then I can contour out the hole and piece I don't want. Next, I'm going to change the color of the offset to white, but again, you could pick whatever color you like. I'm going to select the sewing machine image and the offset and come down and click on Flatten. And finally, I will size the whole thing to the size I would like. Here are all the planner stickers I'm going to cut today. I have the typical planner ones like payday and birthday, but then I also have some motivational type ones as well. I will link the Design Space project below if you'd like to use the same ones. I did get all of these images right in Design Space. Some I created offsets for and some I left the way they were. When I think I have all the ones that I want for today, I click on Make It. It will then do a preview matte screen. I always double check to make sure the material size to be 8.5 by 11, and then I can hit continue. As it searches for my machine, I am going to take a piece of the sticker paper out of the package and load it into my printer. Be sure you know which side your printer prints on. I can then click the Send to Printer button in Design Space. I tend to leave the bleed on for these types of stickers, and then I hit print. It will then print to your printer. After it's done printing, I will head back into Design Space to set my material. I'm going to click on Browse All Materials and search for sticker paper. The new version of sticker paper has green lines on the back, so make sure you select the right one. I then can remove the protective liner from my mat and place the printed sheet onto my mat all the way to the top. Make sure it's secure and then load it into the machine. Make sure there's enough room behind your machine. It will first measure your mat length. Then in Design Space, we will click Go. You will notice a little light that comes on. It is now scanning the registration marks, which are the black lines in the corners. When it is done scanning, it will then begin cutting. After it's done cutting, it will prompt you in Design Space to unload the mat. Then all that's left is to peel and enjoy your planner stickers. Thank you for watching today. If you want to see more about the Joy Xtra, click here. If you are in the market for some sticker paper, click here to check out Craft-e-Corner.com, and click here to subscribe to our channel. See you next time.